Hi guys, this is Infinity and I'm going to show you how I resurrected my 50-year-old Glockenspiel. So please pardon the background noise and the glare. I'm doing this outside. Here's the finished product. Now somewhere on the screen you should see what the Glockenspiel used to look like. It was covered in dirt and the tassels were atrocious. These were the original tassels. They didn't even match. Very awful stuff. So the first thing I did with this was I cleaned it with everyday metal polish, which I'm going to say up front was a mistake. In hindsight, I should have washed it off first with soap and water because it took me about 12 tries. Now these are the two products that I used. This product is probably still readily available in the market. It worked okay. I've had this for years, knocks on. This product was the more superior product, and this gave it a high luster. So I had to use this very judiciously because this can, Haggerty, heavy duty copper and brass and metal polish. I don't know if this is still on the market, but if it is, I recommend this for the final pass-through. So once it was all polished, which took about, as I said, 12 times hosing it off, first thing I did was I cut off the old tassels and the old cord. I used this cord to hang it around my neck. I replaced about 25 of these missing washers. Not the washer, the lug nut. There were about 25 of these missing. I guess there were only about 40 in total. I replaced them, and then all of these felts that you see, the felts that appear in between the sharps, they got washed in the process from having been hosed off so many times. They all got re-glued. They were very, very loose on the bottom. I re-glued them down. As you know, the old washers were cut off. One thing I did was I made a new post. So right over here, because the post was missing. So over here, this post is actually plastic. It was a plumbing piece of plastic that was gray in color, and I spray painted it with a chrome colored spray paint. And then this wing nut here, I was lucky that I had a wing nut the right size in the house. So now it has its center post where it never did before. And then how did I replace the tassels? Well, these are curtain tassels, but they were the right color. So I used these. Please excuse the background noise. And then I also had in the house some, I guess, strapping ribbon. Okay. So that's pretty much it. It's a short explanation for something that took actually about 2 months to do. Now the last finishing touches was I bought a new belt. They call this a flag bearer's belt, which is worn like this, okay? But I punched extra holes in it. I don't know if the holes are showing up because I prefer to wear it. Oops, that's falling. I prefer to wear it around the waist. And then finally, I treated the Glockenspiel to brand new mallets. Okay, so these mallets, these are brass head mallets. These are Musser 122 mallets with a fiberglass handle. And these are, I believe, brass. So this is the packaging. There it is, Musser 122 two-step brass mallets. Let's see if it works. That's it. Happy glockenspieling.